What a rush!
It's almost as cool as my sparkly thing.
Just like,
No, get my sparkly thing.
like light this and then
Hold it in your hand.
light it and just light it now.
Okay.
Light it.
Nadine.
This is crazy. Nadine's crazy. Nadine, sorry.
Yeah, Nadine.
Be careful. I have to see if it's gonna be
Nadine!
Like, I guess we have to wait for a little while so that it's actually gonna fly. You know what I mean?
I don't think it flies.
It's supposed to, it's a bird.
Okay,
No, film me doing a sparkly.
Okay.
It sucks. I'm gonna do two at once. Do you wanna film it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna film both of
This
you.
is gonna be crazy. Wait,
It's
let
a
me get
rush.
them separate. We don't want to be too crazy.
This is Amanda and Zach lighting sparklers, and it's not gonna
Run!
You need to look at both of them.
Write your name, write your name, write your name. Woohoo! That's Amanda. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Run.
Okay, now I'm gonna try another one of
We'll
these.
do this.
Okay, wait.
1001 silver. That
Yeah,
looks fun.
you're gonna have to like put it over there,
Okay.
and then you have to light it.
Here you can.
There?
Yep.
Oh, it's a okay.
What is that?
Don't know.
Why are they supposed to come out?
Keep taping it though.
Ooh. Oh, sorry, I wasn't filming. Okay, this is in Germany a German firework. Zach lit this, so he is actually doing something illegal. Not here in Germany though. Woo. They are amazed by it. You see their excitement?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited.
Okay, this is me, Nadine. Wait. Oh, okay, you have it. Run! Woo!
That's a butterfly.
How do you feel?
It's really exciting.
Are you sure?
Uh,
How do you feel?
I don't know. I feel like this is illegal, but it's not. So it's cool.
It's not, so everything is going good here.
Off the platform.
So we have a few more here.
Maybe you should
we
stop it.
restart.
Oh, okay.
Stop it and